Are you recording? All right. Oh. I'm about to take you on a magical journey through the awesomeness that is Coachella.
You get in trouble with the man. Let the midnight special shine a light on me. Let the midnight special shine a light on me.
For those of you who haven't experienced Coachella, it's the happiest place on earth. Like Disneyland for big kids, and it's basically neck and neck with Christmas morning. So kick back, unbuckle that seatbelt, and enjoy the awesomeness that is Coachella.
Yonder come Miss Rosie. How in the world did you know? By the way she wears her apron and the clothes she wore. Umbrella on her shoulder. Piece of paper.
Well, first whoopsie of the trip. I got fanny caught in my hair. Welcome to Coachella, everyone.
Last night she said, "Oh, baby, I feel so down. Oh, it turned me off when I feel left out. So
Welcome to our Coachella campsite. Come on in. So right here we kind of have like the hangout, cooking food, eating food kitchen area. Lovely Jeff right here, drinking a beer. We got our kitchen, hip-ass stove. And then here, we'll go right here to the first suite, first master suite. Fits about 3 to 4 people in here. It's a love shack. Oh yeah. All right. And then we'll go to the second suite. This will be the master suite. Once again, sleeps about 3 to 4 people. And now for the sickest part of our entire campsite, the teepee. The teepee lounge. But now we gotta go to the show. So we gotta get the hell out of here. And this is the best part about camping, is you get to be here right when the gates open, and no one's here, so you get to find the coolest new bands and have a full day of fun. Yes, I was dancing while filming most of my material, but who wouldn't be dancing at Coachella? If you raise your hand, you probably need some therapy. Moving on, at Coachella, time does not exist, weird is the norm, and dancing is the way of life.
hear her calling, come to me. Thoughts of her won't let me be. Go to the valley, climb the hill.
These are a couple of my favorites. Black Keys, baby.
Must admit, can't explain any of these stars.
Foster the people. Mumford and Sons. The Strokes. We even got our own little private performance at our campsite by Mr. Chris Young.
Drugs, the world, and the girls, and all sex. I'm perplexed, my mind comes next. Hit irrelevant, get your flesh out, then you just a skeleton. I'm dark like melanin, flow is heaven sent. Young, black, and intelligent. Vote C Young for president.
And the worst performance of the entire festival goes to bum bum bum, CeeLo Green. It's the biggest letdown of the day. So disappointed. And Kanye Kanye West pulling strong for 2 hours without one break. We got Nas and Damian Marley in the house.
Oh no. Or even try and rule you. Hey. Oh no. Oh no.
Hope you enjoyed the Coachella ride. See y'all next year.
Get up, get up, get up, get up. Get up, get up now. Get up, get up.